Hello, in front of me I have iPhone 17 Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can generate a random IMEI number on IMEI.info page. Okay, the link to the page is right in here. It's really easy. And now in this search bar we gotta enter our true IMEI number of our iPhone. We have two ways how we can check it. We can do it from the level of the phone app. That's the usual method. All we gotta do is to open up the phone app, then type hashtag 06 and the hashtag, and in here we have our IMEI number. You can also check your IMEI number on your phone packaging. It's usually written on the edge of the packaging. Okay, now once we know it, we gotta enter it and then click on check IMEI. As you take a look, our iPhone has appeared. Now we gotta keep scrolling down. In here we have some basic information about our phone. You can also read the full device specification if you click the button, but we gotta keep scrolling down until we find the basic checks. And in here we have the basic checks and the advanced checks. And when it comes to the basic checks, that are completely for free. And in here we have our service, Random IMEI Generator. We gotta click on that and then click on Generate. Okay, and as you take a look, we have 10 random IMEI numbers. We can copy each number separately by clicking the icon, or you can copy all of them by simply hitting the button down below, copy all IMEIs. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.